Hey everyone, Nick Berlin with Berlin Builds. Today I'm going to give you a review on this little compact trim router that DeWalt puts out. It's cordless, so it's off of the battery. And let me tell you a little bit more about it. The router is really simple to use, but it has some really nice features. So the battery is really easy to get on and off. You just slide it in and off, in and out right there at the top, and it's very well balanced in the hand. You also have your different speeds that you can set it to right here, so it's really easy to change the speed that you're working at. If you want to adjust the height of it, all you would do is you unflip this and then you twist this piece, and it's really easy to adjust that height. Also, when you're changing out different bits, you can hold this button and it will hold the shaft in place as you're undoing the little, I think it's called a collet, I always forget. But whatever this is that holds the bit in, you can hold this in tight so it won't spin as you're trying to get the bit out. One thing I really like too is this plate has a square edge and it also has a round edge. It just gives you a lot more stability as you're working, and I just kind of like it. Something else that I really like about this router is it has two lights, one right here and one right here. So when you actually turn on the router, it is super easy to see what you're doing because it's very well lit up. Giving you a quick demonstration of this, what I've done is this is some hook strip, and it's already got this eased edge here. And there's times when I've had to ease both edges of hook strip, and also a lot of other things I've needed to ease. So I have the router set up so it's ready to do that. And I'll just show it to you in action. The router, really easy to use. We're gonna turn it on. It's very quiet. It's not something that you need to be using hearing protection while you're using it. So you can see as I slide it onto the piece, I'm able to drag that down. And now I have a perfectly eased edge that matches this edge right here. Super easy to use. This thing has saved me tons of time on the job. Before I had a trim router, I used to hand sand eased edges to make them match, and that took forever. This thing has saved me so much time on jobs, which we all know time is money. So this thing has made me a lot of money. Totally worth it. If you're looking to buy the same one, I'll put a link in the description below. You can also buy it at your Lowe's or Home Depot. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, as well as comment below any cool dad jokes that you have or questions that you might have. And make sure you hit that like button, because that's what everyone on YouTube asks you to do, is to hit the like button. So make sure you do that.